Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to use screen recorder on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So to start recording your screen, scroll down and press on screen record. Now your screen is recording. To enable audio through microphone, press on this button. Now the screen recording hears you, and to stop your screen recording, just press on the timer. You can swipe up to share. Let's see what we recorded in gallery. Works pretty well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye. Now the screen